Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia EV3, a bold and futuristic electric compact SUV that's turning heads around the world. Kia has been pushing the boundaries in the EV segment, and with the EV3, they're making electric mobility more accessible without compromising on style, performance, or features. Let's start with the design. The exterior of the 2025 EV3 is striking. You immediately notice the resemblance to its bigger sibling, the EV9. It carries a similar boxy silhouette, but in a smaller, more compact form that makes it perfect for urban environments. The front end features sharp LED headlights with Kia's new signature lighting pattern and a closed-off grille that reflects its electric nature. The body is smooth and aerodynamic, with subtle creases that enhance its futuristic appeal. From the rear, the wraparound taillights look sleek and modern, and the integrated spoiler adds a sporty touch. The white color variant looks particularly premium under showroom lighting, emphasizing the car's clean lines and high-end vibe. Moving inside, the EV3 continues to impress. The interior is modern, spacious, and loaded with tech. Kia has used sustainable materials throughout the cabin, aligning with the eco-friendly theme. You're greeted by a minimalist dashboard with a dual-screen setup, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. Both are crisp and responsive, and the interface is intuitive. The steering wheel is two-spoke and has touch-sensitive controls that feel futuristic. The center console is floating, providing extra space underneath for storage. The front seats are well bolstered and supportive, with optional vegan leather upholstery. Rear seat space is surprisingly good for a compact SUV, thanks to the flat floor design made possible by the EV platform. Ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a premium audio system elevate the overall cabin experience. Under the hood, the EV3 is built on Kia's eGMP platform, the same architecture used in the EV6 and EV9. It offers two battery options, a standard 58 kWh and a long-range 77.4 kWh version. The electric motor produces up to 201 horsepower and around 350 Nm of torque, delivering smooth and silent acceleration. It goes from 0 to 100 km/h in under 7 seconds, which is pretty quick for this segment. Kia claims a range of up to 500 km on the long-range variant, depending on driving conditions. It also supports ultra-fast charging, allowing you to go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. The EV3 handles well, with precise steering and a comfortable ride. It's ideal for city driving but also stable on highways. When it comes to pricing, Kia is expected to launch the EV3 at a competitive starting price of around $35,000 for the base variant, with the long-range and higher trims possibly going up to $45,000. Considering the features, design, and performance, it's a strong value proposition. The EV3 is a clear statement that Kia is serious about making electric vehicles practical, stylish, and within reach for more people.